In this video, we're going to complete an input-output table using an addition rule. So if we have a problem like this that says, complete the table using the rule, and the rule is add 1000. Okay, so there's one that's been done for us here. So 4355 is the in, and the out is 5355 after 1000's been added. So let's do the steps. So step one, there's really just one step, is write the addition sentence for each. So we take each one of these input numbers and add 1000 to them. Okay, and so let's do that. So when you add 1000 to 2752, it's going to be 3752, right? And then if you add 1000 to 1869, you add a 1000 here, it's going to become 2869. Then when you see this one, 7731, you add 1000 to it and it becomes 8731. So when you add 1000, the thousands changes only. You just add 1 to it. And that's really the end of this problem. And we could write the numbers in for the answer. And let's do them all in green. So 3752, 2869, and 8731. And just check out my description. This is the end of this lesson. If you need more lessons like this, my description has other ones like this. Also, you could download the ebook and you could see this exact lesson in the ebook.